In this video, I'll show you how to enter promo code on FanDuel. Firstly, open the FanDuel website or download the app from your device's app store. Look for the Join button in the top right corner or the Play Now button in the center of the screen. Enter the following details: your full name, email, screen name, and password. Choose a strong password to secure your account, and if there's a field for a promo code or referral username, leave it blank unless you have a valid promo code. Now, if you have a valid promo code, just enter it in the referral username or code so you can benefit from it. Now follow any additional steps such as verifying your email or providing identification. Once the account is set up, log in and begin enjoying FanDuel's promo code. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.